normal so I can reference it if I ever need to be like, this is how it used to go. Oh yeah. That's good. It's like easy. We're doing the MRD SSW exhaust on the DRZ, and our next video is going to be our jet kit and our 3x3 mod. Check it out. Here we go. You guys can't make fun of me for this stuff.
Oh, we're going to.
I think that's recording.
Yeah, look at be your little supermodel.
And Emma's our helper. Alright, first screw down. So what's next after the first couple plastics? Should we start loosening bolts up there too, or?
Yeah, the exhaust, at
They
the
got-
exhaust clamp and at both clamps. Here, the front, and then that mount right there. And I put the top, and I put the back.
Ooh, that's a big Allen. Okay. Easy peasy. That's out of the way. That's just right. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I got the little clamp so that I can use this heat shield with my new exhaust. But I like yours better. The Yoshi one looks way cooler.
So the mount points are in the same spot on the new exhaust?
No, it has, like, that's what those little clamps are
That's
for.
what those hose clamps are
It's
for.
kind of cheesy, but whatever. So I will save that. Okay. That's part of the new system. Alright. What do I need next? That clamp?
Yeah, you take that
And
one
this guy, huh?
and this one.
This looks like the one. Nice. This thing's fucking on there.
I ordered a new side panel.
Ha! You gave in, huh?
Yeah, it was $60.
No, that's not as bad.
Did you try and polish it out first?
Yeah,
We flung polishing compound all over his bike, too.
we so I sanded it down. I used a knife to scrape away the scratch, and then I used
YouTube, he learned it from YouTube.
yeah, and then I used 600 and then 2000 grit sandpaper, and I used a pneumatic like polisher, and it just you have to be very careful with it because I started to burn the plastic, and then I just had to start all over again. This is easier.
Good guess.
It's crazy though. So the side panel costs like $60, and the sticker that goes on it.
There's a
You
different
bought the
side of
sticker?
that bolt. Did you?
Oh, is it
I
spinning?
didn't buy the sticker, but the sticker cost $50. Jesus.
Oh, what is that?
Fucked up.
It's like an Allen wrench?
I believe it was an Allen.
Oh, yeah. I wonder how much I can sell this stock system for. $20.
I would keep it.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep all my stock stuff.
That way you can sell the bike with the original and then sell the exhaust. A good one. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, it'll be worth, supposed to get rid of it and then needing it later.
Wash her down. There she is.
I checked again on Craigslist for a DRZ.
Ha!
That's all. I'm on it every day. But
Nice.
yeah, the guy. He drove to here from
So what were you saying, Mike? You're gonna just sell it with the stock stuff on it, and keep the good stuff?
Well, I don't think.
People want to buy it stock. Is your point?
No, I think you could get more money
If it's stock.
if it. Because I don't think the exhaust on a bike adds to the value
Right.
as much as selling it separately.
Oh, you mean sell the good one separately?
Yeah.
I got you.
But I guess if your bike is all tricked out, then you don't want to have like everything super nice and then having stock exhaust.
Right. Okay, so this baby should come off.
Yeah, just kind of twist it because you want to break the seat, but yeah, without pulling too hard on the. Keep twisting it.
Coming?
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh yeah. Can we start it like this?
Yeah,
I think we
if you
should.
take the sandwich route, yeah.
Money shot.
Woo!
Rotate it down to the clamp. If you can't.
Ooh, sorry, man. Oh yeah.
Let's take this. You have the gator.
There you go. There you go. Spin move. Whoa, that's dented.
I think that's.
Supposed to be like you're like, that's actually supposed to be like
I'm gonna say how to get bent on the inside.
Good point. Good point. Okay,
Yeah,
let's just start it. See what happens.
you might want to shut the door.
This one's for YouTube, honey.
Turn the mics off. Some feedback.
Chloe, come on, let's get out of here.
Is it super loud?
It should.
Why not?
Should be good. It'll be pretty good. It'll crackle and pop probably.
Yep.
There you go.
And we're
That's for
done.
flat track.
Alright, so what do we need to do exhaust for? Holy shit, talking.
The same Big Allen.
Hopefully your exhaust isn't too far off of that.
Yeah, I know, right?
And then, yeah, up here, for your flange bolts.
And they said you gotta be careful doing this,
bolt.
right?
Yeah, just be mindful of them. One's a stud and one's a bolt. I believe the top is an actual bolt.
What does that mean? One's a stud and one's a bolt?
The lower one will just have a nut.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Or the top one has got a nut. Whatever's easiest.
Woo! Nice. Wrench down. Dude, the sneak attack, I love it.
Do you have that wrench again?
Yep. Dude! As soon as you were like, yeah, I've done this before. Yeah. And I'll help. Thank the good Lord. Nice.
Gasket is still in there.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah.
Do you need this clamp for the new system?
I'm not sure. Let's look at the exhaust. I don't think this uses a clamp actually. There's no split in it. Yeah, it just sleeves together. So if it needed a clamp, it would have a split somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, saw you guys' YouTube channel. It's just like, look, I even though I don't do anything with the GoPro, I need to have that thing running while we're on
Yeah,
driving,
dude.
and then I can just leave it with you guys or fish a card out. And
Oh,
swap
I saw
card.
your channel. I figured it's you. Free ride 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, did you put something up?
No,
No.
I just
What's your
subscribed and everything.
okay.
Reride 1, 2, 3, 4.
He subbed you and me.
Oh, nice.
Good choices.
Right? sleeve together. Yeah. My I think all the aftermarkets they're just sleeve. They're just pushed together. How the fuck? The Yoshimura that I got didn't have it. Didn't have a clamp either.
Does this thing like go into the motor?
Yeah, it should.
This part does?
It should.
That's looking good.
Does it look like a square?
Not really.
It should be real.
Oh no, you're right.
Hey,
It did.
Doug,
Yeah.
do you want me to help you on this side?
Yeah.
Because it goes in the frame, right? Yeah, that?
Just like
It's pretty close.
Yeah. It's kind of like a puzzle. Come on, baby. You gotta come towards me a little, man.
Oh, I'm not doing anything right now.
Where does it fit up?
it should go all the way up in there and see.
To this part?
Yeah, that at least this flat should see up against the gasket way up in there. You had it a second ago, right?
Yeah, I was just angled a little more. There we go.
Yeah, right there, perfect.
Sweet.
Now this is just imperative, you have the flange is nice and square.
Okay.
Just tighten one side a little bit and then do the other. Like lug nuts on the cover.
Yep. Alright.
Taking the seat off if you don't mind.
Yeah,
Do it over plastic.
where's that? Here it is.
What you looking for?
There was another small ratchet.
It's on the thing right there.
This one? No. Where's the socket?
I think we're in there. We are in there. Nice. What's that thing?
That's from the evap.
Oh, that's that. We should
This
take
is-
this thing off.
That's
right?
what we're taking off. We're
Nice.
taking, this one's a drain, it goes down to the bottom of the frame. And then this is I think a vacuum line off the car or the tank, I'm not sure, but we
Okay.
just, all we do is plug that, just put a bolt or something. And
Nice.
have it put the big clamp on.
Hopefully
Hopefully you didn't tighten it all the way. I forgot to tell you.
Oh fuck, I tightened it pretty good. That's a good point.
We gotta let it float. It's gonna have to float like a quarter inch. Sorry.
Oh shit, no worries.
You don't have to do the 3x3 right away, but just by having this snorkel out, that increase it by like,
Oh,
quite a bit, you can see, so.
now I just put this on, right?
Yep. And because it didn't come with any like rubber mounts or
No.
spacers,
No.
we just reused the stock stuff.
Okay.
Somewhat the same orientation.
So I'm probably wanting to. This
Wow. Okay. Oh, I gotta put the heat shield thing on too.
was way easier to put on than mine was.
That's how I roll. Does that seem like tight enough, Mac?
What?
Like that fitting? It's just a push to fit, I guess. Fuck, that was easy. What am I looking for? Oh, these. That looks pretty badass, huh? Okay, that's way better. Fuck yeah, that sounded. Alright, guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you out there on the road. Thanks for watching. This has been Moto Doug.